Hey there, it's Merja here. Welcome to our option 2, which is our in-depth MBTI personality decoding process. It's great to be here with you today. On the website, of course, you can find it there. So I just want to go through what is included in our option 2 complete in-depth MBTI personality decoding process. So the first thing you'll get to do is option 1 self-assessment process, which is, of course, the option 1 here. You can find that on the website too, as well. And the self-assessment workshop, you can see it here. It is 2 hours and 25 minutes, and it walks you through the history of Myers-Briggs. It walks you through what the MBTI assessment is and isn't for, the research on it. We do some exercises. We go through the different things that we want to remember about our personality type and how we type ourselves. We talk about the different preference pairs, the extroversion, introversion, sensing, intuition, thinking, feeling, and judging and perceiving. And then we go deeper into those preference pairs. And we basically work through the whole process. I'll ask you some questions and give you some exercises to do on the spot where you can identify the percentages of each of these within you. So you will end up with, say, if you end up being 20% extroverted, 80% introverted, 25% sensing, 75% intuition, 5% thinking, 95% feeling, and 55% judging and 45% perceiving. That will make you INFJ. Okay, so you'll learn about the percentages through the questions that I'll be asking you throughout this process. So jump right in there. That's your very first thing to complete, is the MBTI self-assessment workshop recording. And then once you've done that, I want you to click on the link to the Elevate platform, which is the Myers-Briggs company platform. And you register, or if you're already a member, you just log in. So you register, you put your name here, last name, email address, password, and create your own password. And don't forget to click on the age requirement there. And then click on next. And before you take this assessment, make sure that you have plenty of space for yourself. Tune into how you're feeling in this moment and what is authentic to you, regardless of what anybody else thinks about you or what you think you should do for anybody else's sake. This assessment is all about you. And then at the end, it will report your findings over to me. So I will receive your assessment results. Once you finish the self-assessment workshop, I'll just click respond to this email here or reply and pop in your 4-letter code from your self-assessment workshop. And when I receive that, I will enter your 4-letter code into the Elevate system from my end, and then we'll get your final report. The reason why I don't want you to enter your MBTI 4-letter type into the system and get the results from it is because depending on what's going on for you and what's coming out as the 4-letter code, the online assessment results will change somewhat. So I don't want to confuse you more than needs to be. And then when I receive your online assessment and your 4-letter code, I'm going to get in touch with you to set up our one-to-one time. And then we're going to go through your results, your full MBTI report with the integral facet pairs that really tell us about your amazing strengths and potential challenges, the pitfalls that you might experience in your life. All right, so let's get on with that. And so the very first thing is the self-assessment, then pop into Elevate, log in and create an account, or log into your already existing account and follow the process there. And then we will take it from there. Let me know what your results are. I'll talk to you soon.